Thank you for staying with Republic. And well, India's longest river ropeway connecting Guwahati to North Guwahati has been inaugurated by Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma along with the Guwahati Development Department Minister Siddhartha Bhattacharya. Now, Anuradha is getting us this report from the newly inaugurated 1.8-kilometer long ropeway. Take a look.
Guwahati today witnessed the inauguration of the longest ropeway over the Brahmaputra, and this ropeway will be connecting the southern bank with the northern bank. As we speak about the specification of this project, we will be taking you on a ride on this ropeway. Mr. Samaria, as we start this ride, one of the most fascinating fact about this ropeway is that this is the longest ropeway in the country over a river.
The unique feature, I would say, is the journey itself is so beautiful. The journey itself is like a destination. So I think this will become a landmark project in the whole of Northeast. And a 2-kilometer long ropeway is one of the longest in India. It's not a small ropeway, and especially 2 towers are in the river Brahmaputra, which is a unique feature because the foundations of those 2 towers have gone 180 feet below the river.
Can you speak a few lines about the safety measures that you have been taking as far as this project is concerned?
This is, I would say, is one of the safest ropeways in India. Firstly, it's a bi-cable jig-back, which is one of the most stable ropeways because there are 2 cables which are stationary on which the cabin is there. Load of the cabin is taken by 2 stationary cables, and then 1 cable which is moving. So it takes care of the windy winds over the Brahmaputra river. Plus we have limit switches. We have if the moving rope, there's any problem, the ropeway will come to a standstill. If there's any problem with electrical or motors, we have generator. Then we have a diesel engine. So there's a double backup.
So as we speak, I would like to show you the Brahmaputra and the view from the ropeway here. As you see, as you travel over the ropeway, you can see the ferries moving on the Brahmaputra, and also witness the magnificence, the beauty of the Umananda Island, which happens to be the smallest river island in the world. This ropeway can carry 31 people at a time, and apart from that, there are 2 rescue cars also installed in both the northern and the southern banks of the Brahmaputra in order to keep a check on any emergency situation that arises. This project will be a landmark project as far as the Assam tourism is concerned, because earlier there was the only option to take a tour of the Brahmaputra was either by boat or by ferry, but now you can also use the ropeway to have the magnificent view of the Brahmaputra. And this ropeway is going to shorten the distance between North Guwahati, the travel time between North Guwahati and Southern Guwahati by more than an hour. It only takes 7 minutes on this ropeway to travel from the northern bank to the southern bank. With video journalist Ashok, I am Anuradha Bhakat, and this is Republic Media Network.